everyone. Hey everyone, it's Michelle and I'm super excited because I just got this new Violet Voss palette in the mail. It's their newest fun size palette and it's called I Do Not Care. Get it? Because you know, I do not care. I do not care, which is pretty much my life motto lately. So let's open her up. Okay, so same exact packaging. I'm gonna open it up and pray that none of the shades are broken. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. Since this is a mini palette, I wasn't really sure what to expect on pan size, but they're decent sizes, honestly. This is my first Violet Voss purchase. I did have, oh God, what palette was it? I think it was maybe the November Boxy Looks came with a big like pro Violet Voss palette, but I was sponsoring a teenage girl for like a secret Santa thing and I donated it to her. Because I already had so many warm tone palettes, so I have no idea what the quality is like on Violet Voss, but when I saw this and I saw the cute little colors, I just had to get it. This one is especially calling to me. This palette honestly couldn't have come at a better time. I'm having a very, very bad day, just full disclosure. It's just been a rough one. I have anxiety. I was recently diagnosed with depression, and makeup is seriously like my biggest outlet, my biggest art, if you will. It's truly therapy for me, and I know so many other people, I'm sure so many of you can relate out there, that doing your makeup is just so therapeutic and it's just a great release. So playing with new makeup I think is just what I need today, honestly. There are 10 pans in here, 6 mattes and 4 metallics or shimmers. I'm not really sure, I haven't felt them. I'm hoping they're shimmers and not pressed glitters because I'm really not in the mood for Fallout today, but let's go ahead and give them a swatch. So the shade names aren't printed on here, and that's okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Cute. Okay. Okay, not bad. We'll do this bluish shade. Should get a little more. This pinky one. And this shimmer here. Oh, I love that. I knew I would. That's cute. This purple shimmer. This turquoise shimmer. This matte. And then we'll just get that last matte on the pinky. And we'll just know I'm doing it with my pinky. Okay, so. Ooh, I love that. I love that. Nice. Let's be fair because it is a pinky swatch. All right, let's put it on the eyes. As always, I've got my brows on, my eyes are prepped. I think I'm gonna go in without tape today. I'm not gonna be too extra. This is just more of me testing out the palette quality. I can get more into fancy looks at a later date. Let me zoom you guys in. I told myself, I don't really want tape, and now I'm like, ooh, cut the crease. Cut the crease. I'm not gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna start with this pink shade right here. All right, there's pigment, not bad. It's building up very nicely. I'm sitting here putting pink all over my lids, and the last time I went to my doctor's office, when I, oddly enough, got diagnosed with depression, it was the day I played with the ABH Alyssa Edwards palette. And it was my first time meeting this doctor, and I was like, God, she's gonna think I'm nuts because of all this makeup. I'm gonna make sure next time I see her it's toned down. And here I am, going again this afternoon with all this fucking eyeshadow on. I know this is just a makeup channel, so it really shouldn't be that deep, but fuck it. When I was in her office, I was crying like an idiot, basically, just because life, man. Like, so I'm crying. I have this crazy, crazy amount of makeup on. She goes to hand me the Kleenex because she's just an angel. And I said, no, I can't wipe my eyes. You don't understand. I look like a clown. Like, I will leave this office looking like a freaking lunatic. I can't cry in here. I can't cry right now. And she just took the Kleenex back and she just handed me one and she was like, well, just in case. And I'm like, okay. So here's hoping that that doesn't happen again. Oh, Lord. It's better for her to know the real me, right? I'm gonna take a clean blending brush and just Go around the edges per usual. No harsh lines. God, this is a really, really nice pink. The perfect amount of pigment, and it blended out so easily. And it built up very nicely. Okay, let's move on to the deeper pink. Okay. I really like how these two look together. And I'm someone who says that I'm not a fan of pink shadow. And yet here I am, continuously doing pink looks. Maybe I'm changing, maybe I'm evolving, maybe I'm growing. And I have green eyes, so pink shadow is supposed to look good on me, but I always turn to purple. I forgot you guys were zoomed in. I was gonna show you my shirt because it's from Mean Girls. It says on Wednesdays we wear pink, but you're pretty much just seeing this of me, so never mind. Pink Wednesday. All right, here's where I'm at right now. I really want to mess with this blue shade, but I think if I put it over the pink, it's gonna get muddy. I'll try it. I'll start with just a little bit on the outer corner and see, and if it starts to get muddy, we'll try to cover it up. All right, let's go for it. Let's go for the blue. It's really like a deep periwinkle. Well, it's not really getting muddy. It's just translating more purple, which I'm not that mad about. Okay, yeah. I love this color. Oh my gosh. Cute. All right, let me get a bigger brush since I know we're in the clear. It's kind of blending away into nothing, but that's okay. What did I do? Why? All right, this brush is working better. Maybe it's not the shape, maybe it's the brush. Benefit of the doubt. There we go. Now we're getting a blend. Whew. Per usual, I'm gonna use some ColourPop white concealer to cut some lid for us. I said I'd keep it simple, so I'm probably just gonna do a half cut crease. All right, now I'm just like blending around the cut. I'm gonna take the hot pink shade again, and I wanna go around the perimeter of the cut with it, just to kind of help define it a little more. Sorry I keep jumping back and forth, but I do want to go back in with a little more concealer to define my cut crease a little more, because I think I want to leave a little space, and then like below it maybe do that turquoise or the purple shimmer. I don't really know yet. I basically just can't make up my mind. I kind of want to play with all three of these shimmers, so I'm going to start with this light pinkish purple one. That's cute. It's like the same color as the concealer right now. All right, whew. Now that some of that's laid down, I'm gonna go in with the purple one. Moment of truth, I'm gonna try the turquoise one. God, that's such a pretty color. All right, now I'm just kind of blending them together better with my finger. I'm gonna pack more of this shade in the outer corner. I'm gonna take the white shimmer and try to like put it where I left the little line that you can barely see now. Pray for me. I think this liner brush is too thick, but it's kind of getting there. All right, I'm going between the two pinks. I really love this purple shade, but it blends away. Just see how it goes into nothing, just like patches the F out. I'm gonna take the hot pink and I'll pack that shit into the outer corner. Because apparently that is the dominant shade that I'm messing with right now. And it does not want me to forget it. Dude, what the fuck? I'm literally trying anything. I'm gonna take more of the turquoise shade because it disappeared. Now let me try to go back in with the blue. This video is a disaster. It's just me like trial and error. But you know what? At least it's authentic and I'm not just blowing smoke up your asses being like, oh my god, this look took no time at all and it turned out so beautiful and I totally recommend this palette. Like, no, I need to know how this whole thing operates. I think it was $18 because it's a mini palette. And you know, $18 to me, I'm like, you know, for $18, it's not performing that bad. It's doing all right. 18's affordable, but that's because I'm someone that drops $45 on a palette or $58 if you're, you know, a Jeffree Star palette. And to a lot of people, $18 isn't affordable. So I can't just say for $18 it's not bad, because for $18 some people are like, God, that's a lot of money to spend on makeup, you know? All right, I've done it. I've officially gone crazy. For now, I'm gonna take this LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liner. This shade is Fresh. I'm gonna pop it in the waterline. I'm gonna go put some face on and come back and mess with the eyes some more. Yeah. All right, I put a face on. Let's try to fix the eyes. I'm gonna take the hot pink shade and just pack it on the outer corner better. All right, I'm gonna try the blue shade again. Or maybe I'll do the two together. Something's gotta stick. Lower lash line, I'm gonna take the blue. All right, and now I'm gonna take the light pink. I'm just gonna blend the two together a little better. I'm gonna take my purple liner. This is J.Cat Rockin' Glitz. The shade is Purple Crystal. Mine is really beat up, but I'm just gonna pop it on the upper lash line. I'm gonna take the iridescent shimmer and pop it in the inner corner. Ooh. Good. Let's say Chunk City. Holy shit. Okay, that was a lot. The shade is super chunky. Oh my gosh. Why did I do this? Madness. I'm gonna take some mascara. All right, guys, this is it. This is the final look. For the most part, the matte shades were nice. Obviously, I had trouble on the outer corner. I'm not gonna blame the palette though. I think really those colors would maybe be better on their own, or I should have laid down the darkest one first and gone opposite of how I did it, lightest to darkest. I obviously can't speak to the three brown shades, but I did use all of the shimmers. The white one is the chunkiest. Oh my gosh, that is Chunk Monkey. This one's a little chunky too. These two were pretty smooth though. Not bad, it's nothing that can't be sorted, but if you put one on your inner corner, just like tread lightly. I think the look I got is very fun. I would like to fine tune it, but it's okay for a first time. For $18, do I think it's worth it? I do. I think the look I came up with was cute and they performed well enough, but my opinion here really doesn't matter. It's up to you. Would you pay $18 for it? It's a very cute color story, and you can go neutral if you want, and then you've got your pops of color, obviously. So very cute palette, but I'm not a makeup artist, so I can't really say if it's worth it or not. Just a makeup enthusiast, and my skill level isn't the greatest yet, obviously, so you might be able to do something way cooler than me. And you might use it and be like, wow, this is great for $18. Or you might use it and be like, this sucks for $18. I don't know, man, I don't know. I'm just me, an amateur makeup reviewer. I liked it and I'm happy to have it, and I'll definitely be playing some more with it. So that's all I've got for you guys today. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye!